Are you dragging through the day? I had same problem, and since coffee doesn't suit me, I had to find a better way. And I did. This ancient breath can energize your brain, clear mental fog, and wake you up faster than coffee in just minutes. My name is Urvashi, and this is episode 3 of my pranayama or breathwork series. And if you're here for second or third time, feel free to jump right to the practice. I have given some timestamps in the description and some other free resources that might be helpful in your practice. Now the word Kapalbhati comes from Sanskrit, Kapala meaning skull, Bhati meaning shining. And Kapalbhati is used in yogic cleansing practice called Shat Karma for purification and energization. Now this practice involves short, forceful exhalation. Hence it is advised to not do this if you're pregnant, have high blood pressure or heart issues, or if you have just studies also shows that Kapalbhati leads to better cognition, metabolism and clear sinuses. But for a noticeable change to happen, do it for at least 30 or 21 days. Let's start. Sit in any comfortable position of your choice, and I have broken this practice down in 3 stages: gentle, moderate and fast pace. So feel free to take breaks whenever it is required. Hold on to your knees, inhale and exhale small sharp breath. Relax. Inhale and exhale normally. Inhale and exhale. Gently open your eyes. Let's start round 2. Hold on to your knees. Inhale and exhale normally. Inhale and start. Relax. Close your eyes if you haven't already. Breathe normally. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Open your eyes gently and let's start round 3. Inhale, exhale, inhale, start. Relax. Breathe normally. Be aware of the sensation in your body. Inhale, exhale through your mouth. Gently open your eyes. Now, if you'd like a free audio version of this practice so you don't have to deal with YouTube ads and you can take your practice anywhere and do it anytime, please check the description. And I also have a longer version of this practice available for Patreon members. And if you saw any positive shift, please feel free to share your experience in the comments. Namaste.